In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to switch Verizon SIM card to another phone. First, turn off iMessage if switching from iPhone. Navigate to the settings on your iPhone. Go to Messages and turn off iMessages by toggling the switch. Next, use the Content Transfer Center to save contacts and other content from your old phone. This may include photos, videos, messages, and more. Next, turn off both your old and new iPhones. If your new Android phone requires a SIM card, insert it into the designated slot. Power on your new Android phone. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation and setup process. This may include selecting your language, connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and signing into your Google account. Once the setup process is complete, use the Content Transfer Center to restore your contacts and other saved content to your new Android phone. Follow the instructions provided by the Transfer Center to complete the restoration process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.